This video is about semi-blind inner-outer contour drawing. It's very, very important that you start with blind inner-outer contour drawing or just blind outer contour. If you don't do that, if you don't get your eyes and your hands to work together almost flawlessly, do not go on to this step, because it will definitely keep you from being able to draw as well as you possibly could. If you feel that you've gotten to the point that you can go on to semi-blind inner-outer, listen very carefully to the directions so that you can follow through and create really realistic drawings. Let's get started. When we do semi-blind, and that is not blind, it is partially blind, you need to understand that we are still keeping the blind part in there, but the semi means sort of or sometimes. So when we are drawing, we're going to take our subject and put it at a distance from where we're working, and we're going to start drawing blind. When we feel that it would be helpful for us to take a look at where we are in our drawing, we take our eyes off the subject, but we stop drawing. Notice that my line on the right has stopped. Now I look back at the profile that I'm drawing and I continue on. At no time am I watching my pencil, pen, charcoal draw. If I feel that I've made a mistake, I can go back up and over and continue on with what I am seeing. If I need to draw a fictitious line in, I can do that. When I want to look one more time, I need to stop drawing, look down, look back up, find where I am on the drawing, and then continue on. And continue doing your inner and outer details, nice and slowly, and now with accuracy. When you're all done, then you can stop drawing and look at your drawing and critique. Decide what you did well and what you didn't do well. Take a look at my drawing now that I've taken away the photograph. You can see that there are some areas that I drew very sensitively, such as this area right there. Some areas that I rushed a little bit, for example, right there. So it's not as sensitive. There may also be areas that aren't as accurate. If you find that you want to keep your eyes on the subject, that's great, because it's your eyes that are going to tell you what you need to draw. Once your eyes come off the subject, you're making it up. And if you're making it up, it's not good. Once again, we're doing semi-blind, which means you are not going to watch your hand drawing. You're going to capture the inside as well as the outside details, and you're not going to look at the paper while your charcoal or pencil or any drawing material that you might be using is moving. Take your time and remember the objectives. Sensitivity, which was possible to get with blind drawing alone, but now, because we can look at the paper here and there, just not while our drawing material is moving, accuracy. So we have the lumps and the bumps, and we have them in correct proportion and relation to one another. Take it slowly, there's no rush, because once you rush, the accuracy and the sensitivity both go out the window. Go have fun. Bye-bye.